Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can water multiple crops in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to equip the watering can. You're going to go to this tool menu and select the watering can. And if you want to water multiple crops, you need to unlock level 3 in your gardening hobby. You can see your level right here. Just go to the hobby and select the gardening hobby. As you can see, my gardening hobby is now at level 9, and I have been able to water 9 crops at once. After you reach level 3, you'll be able to water 3 crops at once. Okay, and to water your multiple crops, you just need to tap and hold on this watering can like this, and you'll get this kind of animation. You will turn around like this. Oops, the tool durability is depleted, so I need to use the repair kit. Okay, wait guys, I'm gonna use this one. And yeah, basically you just need to tap and hold on the watering can icon and you'll be able to water multiple crops. And remember, you need to reach level 3 to water multiple crops in Heartopia. Okay guys, and that's how you can water multiple crops in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!